Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have the monthly subscription box here from Canada, the Hot Tips Nail Box. This is the September box, and the box is it's called Fall Fun. So it's like a fall, theme box this month. So we'll go ahead and get into it. So we always get the little card here that says thank you. And just tells you about the box. All right. Oh, so we get one of the little trays here to put your charms. We have some, let me see if these, oh yeah, these are water decal. These are pretty. Little pretty design there. These are really pretty. Look at that. I don't know if this is, oh yeah, this one's a sticker. That's really pretty. Really pretty. And then we have some of the fall leaves here, all different colors, super pretty. I'm gonna start doing my fall sets here. Look at that, how pretty, all different colors. This foil is so cute. And we get a foil here. Oh, it's a good size, very good size. Really pretty plaid, pink, black, and it's got red in it. And then we have some Gucci stickers here, super cute. And then some flower stickers here. And then we get some pixie crystals here. Really pretty. I believe they're just the clear. I don't want it to spill. Oop. See, I already spilled some. Yeah, they're just the clear little pixie crystals. Ooh, and then we get the acrylic. So we get the Glitter Baby Fantasy Acrylic, and you usually get a charm in there, so I moved some of my nail stuff around. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, look at how pretty. Yeah, so this is a fall acrylic. It's got gold. And it's got red, it's got the leaves in there, orange, red, super pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe we don't get one this month. Yeah, I'm not feeling any charm in here. I don't think we get one this month. All right, so I'll go ahead and swatch this. Alright, so that's it there. Super pretty. It's got large hexagons. It's really pretty. Alright, so this is everything in the box here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing my set in the same video or not. I'm gonna, probably will, but I just wanted to show everything again. But yes, I'll go ahead and leave everything linked down below for this box. I really enjoy this box. It's always different. The stickers are always different, and I love the acrylics. And so yeah, I'll go ahead and leave everything linked down below, and we'll get started with the set. All right, so I'm going to use the acrylic in another set because I have an idea of what I want to do with the acrylic. But for this set, I want to use most of like the nail art stuff that came in the box. So but I'm going to be using this pink polish here, and then the black and white, and then definitely the foil. When I saw the foil, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to use that foil. And then try to incorporate these, of course, the little maple leaves. So I am going to use the almond tips from Nail Couture. I don't know why, I just think the almond's going to go with this set. And then I'm going to apply my peel off base coat here. I'm going to apply that to each nail, and then I'm gonna let that dry for about a minute or two. Alright, so I only have a little bit of the press-on gel, the clear one, so I'm gonna see how many tips I can get on because I just want to use it up. Alright, so I already went ahead and filed and buffed the nails because I've shown that in a lot of videos, so it's just basically the same thing. So yeah, now I'm going to go in with the Nail Reserve base coat. I'm going to apply a coat to each nail, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. So what I think I'm gonna do is, I think the nails that I'm gonna put the foil on, I'm gonna do white as the background. And I think I'm gonna do the foil on the ring finger and the thumb. And then the black I think I'm gonna do on the pinky and the index. And then the pink I'm gonna do on the middle. I think, I don't know. That's kind of what I have in my head. So we'll see how that comes out. So I decided for this set I'm gonna do matte. I never do matte, but I don't know, for some reason I just was like, I want to do the matte. So I'm gonna apply the matte top coat on the black pink nails, and then I'm gonna do the foil. I want to do that first, that way I don't mess anything up. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply a coat of the matte, and then I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. So yeah, I like the matte. Looks really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the foil glue to the ring finger here. So I want it to where you can see the black and the pink. I'm trying to see before I place it down. Probably half. Okay, so this was like the 5th time, and this one looks okay. It's still missing some, but what I think I'm gonna do is add some rhinestones around the cuticle. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, so I've never worked with water decals before, but I cut out the portion that I wanted. And I'm gonna put it, I don't know, I guess you just put it in the water, right? Never done this. I hope it comes out good. These foils. Yeah, I decided for the foil, for this nail, I'm gonna put a black teddy bear up here so it kind of hides that. I don't know, like fall teddy bears, I guess. So I don't know if you're supposed to put a base coat or something down, because I didn't, so. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I like it. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So now I'm gonna top coat it. Yeah, I don't know if I was supposed to put something down first or not. So hopefully it doesn't slide. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put the little leaves on with like a little bit of the matte top coat, and then I'm gonna put the little flashy light here and see if it holds it down. It's sticking up a little bit at the ends, but not too bad. That worked pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just top coat. Alright, so yeah, it looks better now that the top coat's on and stuff. It looks cool, I like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put that bear charm here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do on the other nail still. I'm still deciding. But yeah, we'll put this little bear here. So I just cut a little piece off of here, and I'm gonna see, I don't know how it's gonna look because you might be able to see the clear. Alright, so here we go. I don't know how this, oops, I don't even know how this is gonna look, but oop, I'm making a huge mess here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a bear on the thumb, and then I think that's it. So this is the finished set here. I think they came out really cute. I like the matte look. I might start doing more matte nails, but so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave everything linked down below for the Hot Tips nail box. It's a really great box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.